What's good, YouTube, and those of you watching on the foxhole.com, it's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. It is Mamba Day 2018 for those of you who are Kobe fans, sneakerheads alike. There was tons and tons of releases that came out today, tomorrow, and I believe maybe even Sunday or Monday. A lot of crazy shoes coming out. Let me know what shoes you guys are going after in the comment section below. I'm about to show you guys what I just got. Actually, you know, if you've seen the title and the thumbnail, you know what shoes we're talking about. Let me know if you like these shoes in the comment section. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Of course, you gotta hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos, man. I'm real sporadic with it. I try to keep it daily, but it do be sporadic. Sometimes it's 2 uploads a day, sometimes it's 3 uploads a day. Just need you guys to hit the notification bell so you guys can be the first ones to know when the videos drop, you dig? And I also have started a Patreon page. If you guys wanna go ahead and check it out there, there will be exclusive content on that page. Link to that is in the description box. Without further ado, let's get to these Kyries, you dig? Last year's Mamba Day mentalities, I missed out on them. I took an L. They were hard to get. I thought getting there maybe 30 minutes before the store opened would have been a good enough time. Apparently that wasn't. There was people there since 6 that morning. So you know, I definitely went to go check it out this time and make sure I locked down my spot. But they were a little bit more of a general release. I think more people were able to get them. So if this is something that you wanted to get, let me know in the comment section. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check out these bad boys right here. Like I said in my other video, I bought these shoes. I got these shoes. I did not look at them inside Foot Locker. I wanted to get my first up close and personal reaction on camera, you dig? So without further ado, let's get to these shoes, man. I'm excited. I'm excited because this shoe right here is fire, boy. I don't even know what to say. I say that all the time about a lot of shoes, but I get excited about shoes. I got a passion for shoes. I like different colorways, things that stand out. I'm just a fan of shoes, man, and this right here is no joke. Fire. Definitely one of the best shoes of 2018, and we're only in April. I know we still got more time to go, but you guys cannot go wrong with this shoe right here. I'm not even gonna say that for a second. Just let it breathe.
Street mixtapes, nigga.
But I like these truly. This is a 20 on a 10 Richter scale. This right here is crazy. You gotta love the back of it, the heel, the bottom, the midsole. You got the craziness on the back of it. We're gonna get the up close and personal detail looks so you guys won't miss a beat with these shoes. I like the tongue. My first impressions on it, I mean, the shoe is just fire, man. This, let me pull out the other one real quick. Shoes are immaculate. Immaculate. I don't even know what else to say besides immaculate. Excellent, well put together. From the coloring to the designs on them to just everything going on here. I really enjoy these shoes. The bottoms, of course, you know the Kyrie Force always has the crazy bottoms. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section below. We have, let's see. You have like the netting with like yellow inside there. So it's like black netting or black mesh with yellow inside. And then that goes with like the goldish hints and the little orange and yellow colors on the back part of the sole. You know, I don't know how to exactly explain it besides saying it's a dope shoe and it got a lot of good colorways. I like the gold Nike check here, this black midsole with the purple dots. They always hint it off well with the colors. They put things together to offset it to make the shoe look really, really good. I'm excited, man. I can't even talk right now. All right, yeah. So, I mean, I like the detail of the tongue. They got the gold Kyrie logo right there on the tongue to go with the gold Nike check on the side of the shoe. And then, of course, you got the little Kyrie logo / I don't know, you can be the judge of what that is on the back of the shoe. Very dope shoe, sticks out. I like this Kyrie colorway more than all the other colorways put together. Let me double check that. Best Kyrie colorway yet. If you disagree, let me know. If you agree, let me know. Make sure you smash that like button if you do agree though, of course. I mean, there's nothing else different about the shoe besides the colorway and the patterns. You got this like lime mint green at the bottom with the black patent zigzag design for pivoting. Yeah, man. So, I mean, this shoe has everything that you could want. It got the little flash. It got comfort. You guys are going to see it on feet, of course, like you have been seeing lately with most of my shoe reviews. I mean, the inside, you got you got his signature there. Dope shoe. I don't even know what to say besides dope. I'm trying to see if I don't have a flaw to it, man. I wonder what these shoes would look like with some gold laces. That'd be kind of crazy, right? Or even some lime or some mint green laces. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. Is this a shoe that you guys copped, passed, tried to get, couldn't get? It was a pretty general release, so you had a great chance to get in. I don't know if they're sold out on Nike.com because there's so many shoes out right now. You got the Paul Georges, which also came in the pack. The Paul Georges is pretty dope too. You got the Paul Georges, you got these, you got Jordan 11s, you got Jordan 10s, you got, not Jordan 10s, but you got some other Jordans that come, oh, the Jordan 1s, the Shadows. How could I forget? You got the Shadows dropping tomorrow, Saturday. Then you got 2 more pair of Kyries dropping along with the Ultra Boost. So many shoes and so many options. I want to know what you guys are getting in the comment section. Were these Kyries for something that you try to get? Only a price point of $120, man. And if you get that Foot Locker app, you will get discounts, man. You will get discounts if you go ahead and get the Foot Locker app. That helps out a lot. This is not a sponsored video. I go to Foot Locker to get my shoes, Shoe Palace, a few other places. But yeah, this Foot Locker Rewards app, it does help out. It does come in handy, you dig? Here you go. Once again, the Kyrie 4 Mamba Mentality 2018 release. Let me know what you guys think about these things in the comment section. Hello.